Hello everyone, welcome to Money Minds. I will give you some tips how you can make $200 a day. In 2025, the world changed forever. Artificial intelligence stopped being a buzzword. It became an income source. Thousands are making money online without showing their face, powered entirely by, and they don't need fame, followers, or fancy equipment, just a laptop, creativity, and the right AI tools. This is the rise of the faceless creators. People who let technology speak for them. ChatGPT writes, Midjourney and Leonardo create. 11 Labs gives you a voice. CapCut and Pika edit your videos. Together, they build a digital empire that works while you sleep. Alex earns $200 a day from AI shorts. Mia sells digital art on Etsy. No cameras, no clients, just automation and creativity. Once your AI system is set up, it keeps working. AI writes, designs, edits, and uploads, all while you focus on the next idea. This isn't a local trend. From London to Toronto, from Sydney to New York, people everywhere are turning AI into income. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Use what's in your hands today. Every video, every design, every idea can become income. This is more than a trend. It's the start of a new era. The faceless generation is here, and they're not invisible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comments, share, and subscribe Money Minds for more money tips.